Hey guys, it is the best time of the day and you know what time it is. It's time to take my makeup off. So after a long day, I just want to wipe it away and not worry about it anymore. I am using the pink makeup eraser towelette. A little bit about it before I take my makeup off is all you have to do with this pretty little pink towel is dip it in some water and wipe away your makeup. This thing can be washed 1,000 times. It will last you approximately 3 to 5 years, which is crazy to even think about, but how awesome is that? So let's go ahead, I'm gonna show you exactly how I use it and how easy it is to just wipe the day away. You're gonna dip your eraser in the water and saturate it. And you'll notice the first wipe, makeup is off. You can see my blemishes, my scarring, all of that pretty stuff that you love to see without makeup. It's so gentle on your skin and you can see the makeup that is coming off. And I'm not having to scrub, I'm barely wiping my face. And there you have it, makeup gone.